First this afternoon, incredibly long individual interviews and an early morning altercation are slowing jury selection in the murder trial of Adam Fravel. Fravel is standing trial in Blue Earth County Court on first and second degree murder charges for killing the mother of his children, Madeline Kingsbury. Today at the Justice Center, a verbal argument occurred between deputies and a potential jury. It comes as long question sessions with potential jurors continue to stall proceedings. After 4 days, only 6 members have been appointed to the jury panel. KIMT News 3's Brandon Cote is joining us live from outside the center in Mankato. Brandon, you were there when the altercation began with Blue Earth County deputies. Tell us what you saw.
Yeah, definitely, Jess. The Blue Earth County Sheriff's Office says this verbal argument with law enforcement is a rare occurrence. So it started here around this area in the parking lot, and essentially the middle-aged man started yelling just because he was really frustrated about being here against his own will. Now, according to the Sheriff's Office, deputies were told by the judge to bring him into the Justice Center. This is after the man received an official notice to appear by 8:30 a.m. After failing to show up yesterday, the Sheriff's Office says deputies arrived at his home and took him in. He claims his ride to court, his sister, did not show up, which left him without any transportation to appear for jury selection. So, Jess, I was inside the courtroom when he entered, and even before he entered, the prosecution told the judge about his recommendation that he should not be brought in just because he saw a part of the situation and saw how visibly agitated he was with it. The defense team disagreed with him in the court. The judge sided with him, and when he entered the courtroom, he was wearing no shoes and a tank top, and you can even see the prosecutor take a few steps back to avoid being close to him, and even as he was sitting down, you can just tell he did not want to be there at all, and saying that he's being here against his own will. Live in Mankato, Brandon Cote, KIMT News 3.
Talk about having a dress code there. And Brandon, he was basically removed from jury consideration, correct?
Yeah, so with the jury situation, we have 6 jurors on the panel as of now. Only one person has been selected to join the jury today, but it's been a long day for some interviews. I know one interview this morning took over an hour, and I'm going to get more into that for the 5 o'clock newscast.
All right, thank you, Brandon. The Blue Earth County Sheriff's Office says deputies are not recommending charges be filed against that potential juror who was removed, but ultimately that decision is up to the judge. Once again, as Brandon mentioned, we'll share how the defense and prosecution are playing a role in slowing jury selection during a live report coming up on KIMT News 3 at 5.